Internal Audiovisual Archive of Registry Documents. Document being archived OHN25, The Puzzle Box. Archivist Lawrence Lyer, Reevaluation Department. Location: the Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant, Ukraine. Status: active. Description and behavior: the puzzle box is an anomalous cardboard box with this description crudely scrawled on it. This is the puzzle box. What is inside is the only thing that can save your life. Figure it out. This description is accurate to the anomalous properties of this object. When a person or persons encounters and inspects the box, a seemingly random object will manifest inside. This object, if used in a specific manner, will save the life of the recipient or recipients from an event in the near future. Whether the object is the cause of these events is unknown. The current location of the object has rendered it impossible to safely assess. The 5 research teams sent out each failed catastrophically due to the danger posed by the highly irradiated area. All 5 teams did reach the puzzle box though, and managed to report back the items they received. The first team received a bag of gravel. The second team received 1.5 ham and cheese sandwiches. The third team received a keyring with various bent rings. The fourth team received a still beating heart. The fifth team received a box with an assortment of bullets. After the loss of the fifth team, we halted the attempts to conduct in-person research. Our current focus is figuring out how the items were supposed to be used. Recommended actions: if you manage to encounter the puzzle box, it is recommended to take the item inside, as the event you need it for seems to happen regardless. Pay close attention to your surroundings, as your life is in peril and the item uses seem to be quite random. Be careful, you may only have one chance. End archive.